Alright, I am extremely fucking bullish this morning. We've already taken out these lows all the way down here. And we've taken out all of this liquidity as well. We've also taken out these lows. I believe these are also 4-hour lows. I have those marked out. Yeah, these are 4-hour lows. So I'm super bullish, targeting essentially just London highs. So I wouldn't want to look for any shorts. The only way I would take shorts is if we came up into London highs and swept out those highs. And obviously, if that happens, I'm longing up to that. So, yeah, I could only see myself going long today. And I mean, we're already kind of extended to the downside. I don't see any reason why we'd want to move up. I was actually looking at this entry before I started recording, but I don't really want to take this, to be honest. It would have been nice, super good entry, but price could always come back down. I'm just going to wait for market open. Plus, there is PMI at 8:45, so I think I'm going to try and wait for that to come out. But yeah, so that's what I'm looking for today. Hopefully we can get that. Oh, yeah, and my bad. These are London highs. These are just hourly highs. So, again, the only way I would go short is if these hourly highs were swept. And I'm going to short up into long up into these if, like, I don't see myself going short at all today. Oh, another thing, just added 2 more combines to the stack last night because today is Top Step's last day to get a 30% off. So with that and the payout hitting the bank yesterday, I thought, fuck it, might as well add 2 more. I didn't want to do 3 because I feel like it'd be a little overwhelming with 5 accounts. I don't know, but we're on 4 now, so see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. All right, market opened. Again, y'all already know what I want to see. You already know what's happened. If you're watching this. If we got down here to actually shit my pants. Hopefully, but not hopefully at the same time. Price is choppy like the last 2 days for the first like 15 minutes of market open. Then we get news come out. Then we get some volatility. That'd be pretty sick. Kind of uncorrelated right now. NQ took out these 5.5 highs. ES is nowhere to be seen. Yeah, if we just run the TP, this would fucking suck. This is my realistic TP. This would be like London highs or end goal TP, like by the end of the day. I mean, we're fucking close though, bruh. Shit. This might be a quick video. This might be a real quick fucking video. Hey, this entry I'm actually glad I didn't take. Would have gotten wicked out at market open. But had the right idea. Had the right idea for sure. I'd love for 5 minutes to close above this high. Hopefully it will. Nice. Alright, now I could really get in with the continuation, low key. Just a retrace into a fair value gap. Nice, man. Nice. Very unfortunate turn of events. Bang! No entry. Oh, man. Well, I don't even know if I'm going to post this video. Dude, how long have I been recording? Did I even tell you that? 13 minutes. 13 minutes. 30 seconds. I think we could go to London highs. Looks like we might with this volume. Again, I didn't really want to place a trade either before PMI came out. Also, we swept out. I mean, going long to London highs would kind of go against a lot of my strategy if I go short here after sweeping out these hourly highs and we're in an hourly fair value gap. It just depends if we make bearish or bullish market structure on the lower time frame. That's about it. Where could I have entered here though? I mean, fucking hell. Yo, if y'all caught these longs, fucking beast, bro. I don't even know what to say. I don't know, like, what would have even been a good entry. I mean, entering off the second candles after market opens kind of crazy, but at this point, I'd still would have wait for 845. Even if this does go lit, because like I said, kind of just want to wait for news. Could have been nice. Put it below there. Let's see how that plays out. I don't know, I actually kind of might take this with super low risk.
Order filled.
Very low risk here. I'm going to go break even at these highs. Seeing this reaction out of here, that's not bearish whatsoever. And like I said, super low risk on this. I'd like to see those London highs get taken out, especially with this amount of volume. The wick on the 4 hour is just obscene. So, like I said, if this was any different, I would have risked normally. That's still about how much I would be wanting to risk. $200. I'm break even now. Look at that volume. But Did ES just take out London highs? No. Took out the first highs. Okay, so ES is heavily delayed compared to NQ. But yeah, like I was saying, if circumstances were any different, I probably would have went in with one or two more micros. But with the way that, like I said, we still have news, and so now we have news in 2 minutes. And like I said, if we weren't, I don't know, just the circumstances of it all. Like, I didn't absolutely love longing there. Ideally, would have been able to long down here. We're kind of high up, but like I said, if things were any different, I would have done normal risk. I don't even know what I'm talking about, low key, with the risk, because this was what, $200? Yeah. I would have only been risking a little bit more. Alright, here's the news. PMI. ES is pushing down, NQ's kind of staying there. $15-minute with a crazy strong candle. Same as 5-minute. Hopefully get some pretty good volume here. I'd like to just run to TP at this point. Looks like this is going to be a break even, unfortunately. Only 27 points away from take profits. I don't know. There's still potential.
Order filled.
Bang. All right, break even. Not bad, man. Not bad. Kind of unfortunate, but like I said, those London highs are the end goal of today. We probably needed a little retrace. This will probably go back up to London highs, but it is what it is. So that's the trade for the day. I hope y'all were able to take these longs way earlier. Because like I said, this is where I originally wanted long to this draw. But yeah, so this was still a pretty solid trade. I'm not gonna lie. I still liked it. Great risk and everything. I wouldn't have changed anything, honestly. So, but all right. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all were able to catch a trade today. Hope y'all were able to end up green for the week as well. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe and like if you haven't already. And again, I'll have my socials in the description, my Instagram and TikTok. So follow me there if you haven't already done so as well. You probably came from that. But in case you didn't come from that, go follow me there. I post every single day on there. So appreciate y'all for watching, and I will catch y'all next time.